coins chef needed to pay. So we have constraint here 1 less than is equal x less than is equal 100. Okay, clear? Now we have a sample input format of 8 of what would be the output? 132. Okay, and in explanation 2 we have 77, which is the value of x.
Output 300.
Output we have 300. Now what is asked in the question is, let's look at the question once again. There is one bold mark in the question. Where it's a bold?
Every week.
Every week and 4 weeks. So that means they are trying to focus you something on 2 things only. Every week and 4 weeks. So what it is written in explanation? Let's look at it. Pay 400 coin immediately and then pay. In this case, let's look at this first example very clearly. In this case, it's ideal to choose the payment scheme, pay 100 immediately and then pay x is equal 8 coin each week for the next 4 weeks. And what is the outcome written? 100 plus
4 into x.
100 plus 4 into x.
Yes.
What is the x value?
8.
Output would be
132.
4 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 4 plus 100.
Yes.
Simple, clear. Now second output, what it is written for 77?
77.
4
100
into
plus 4 into 77.
100.
100 plus 4 into 77.
Output
408.
clear? Are we clear with this? Now let's look at the question. This is required for what? 4 week. This is what is 4? 4 week into x. X totally depend upon the user input, whatever the number is. So clearly what it is asked, depending upon how much user is paying, you just needed to find out what is minimum from it. Understood? Now let's look at it. If user, whatever the answer would be, if it's greater than 300, simply you take weekly payment, otherwise you don't take the weekly payment. That means we have studied math.min. If we put the value here simply in our algorithm, first let's say we write. I'll write this pseudocode in. This is a pseudocode, not a code specific thing. You take an integer value of, it could be let in JavaScript. Let's say we have 2 schemes. First scheme you choose is scheme 1. Second scheme you would choose scheme 2. First scheme, what it is asked, simple formula is written here in the question itself. 100 into 4 multiply by x, whatever it is, you get into scheme 1. What is scheme 2? It simply says if it pays more than 300, we don't care about rest, you go for the second payment. So are we clear with the output?
Yes.
Take the first integer, let scheme is equal this, put simply this. Let scheme is equal to, put simply this, and console.log, what would be the output? Console.log math.min scheme 1 or scheme 2. Got it? This would be your answer. Quickly run it. If it's one passing all the test cases, you can write the code yourself. Done? Same pseudocode working?
Yes.
Try it once, everyone. You You took total.
Yes. Not schema, we did
Okay, this variable you change with the total.
total.
Total and total something could be. This could be anything. Everyone done? We don't need to write the first two statement, right? Do I need to write the first two as well? Starting two line. What was the starting two line? Const fs is equal required bracket fs. What is fs? File system. Then what is const input is equal what we had? fs. Why fs? We needed to read the file sync system. fs dot read file sync. What inside? 0. UTF-8. What is UTF-8? Unicode value. Unicode ASCII value we have written. Trim dot split. This will also work.
Yes, I got it working. There is only one input now.
That will also work. This is just to handle extra cases. So let you take scheme 1 is equal what? Simple 4 into x.
Scheme 2
Let scheme 2
equals 300.
300. What you put? Console.log
Bracket math
math.min
bracket scheme 1 comma scheme 2
scheme 1 comma scheme 2.
bracket.
Got it?
Yes, let
Oh, yeah, you can take the value of input.
let x equals to parser.
Yeah, take the value of x here.
Yes.
Let x is equal input dot parse in, or simply you can parse int as well. Right? X I have missed. Take the value of x, so it will come here. Submitted, everyone?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Working?
Yes.
Let's move back to the next question.
Anna?
Move to second question. Take 10 minutes to read the question.